Heidi and this is Scott from Daltons. Today we're going to be talking about strawberry planting. So we're going to teach you the best way to plant your strawberries, the right spot, the right soil so you get beautiful fruit.
Fantastic.
So when's the best time to be planting strawberries?
May, June and July. So in the winter months, those cooler months.
So that gives them enough time to get established?
Absolutely. Get them well established in your garden and flowering and ready for summer.
So there's obviously lots of popular varieties?
There are tons of varieties, and really what you need to do is pay attention to how the flowers are set. Some are affected heavily by the length of day, some are day neutral, some are day sensitive. So the ones that tend to be sensitive to the length of day, they're generally a later flowering, later fruiting variety.
Where's the best place to be planting our strawberries?
In a really sunny location. Warm and sunny is ideal.
Yep.
They can actually grow anywhere. They're a really easy crop to grow.
Here we are at our lovely strawberry patch. We've done a lot of preparation.
Sure have. We've added in the Garden Time strawberry mix, which is fantastic for this situation, obviously. It contains 5 to 6 months worth of fertilizer, plenty for these young plants to grow right through to fruiting, and has extra potassium and trace elements, which is perfect for strawberries.
Awesome. Okay, well let's do a little bit of digging, get some plants in.
Let's have a go.
So before we start planting, we want to check our plants and remove any dead or damaged leaves, and including any sort of early fruit that has appeared. We'll pull that off.
Absolutely.
And then we'll start digging in. Now Scott, we've mounted this up. Why have we done that?
Well, strawberries love a raised bed situation because they really enjoy the extra drainage, and they also enjoy the extra warmth that comes from that raised bed or that garden mound.
So we want to dig a hole and put our strawberry plants about 15 centimetres apart.
Good,
Add in a couple of good handfuls of the strawberry mix.
Generous handfuls.
Generous handfuls.
Generous handfuls, Heidi. Plenty of extra nutrients in there. Look at that, fantastic.
So the crown of the plant, as you can see there, is just sitting up a little bit higher.
Fantastic.
So the water can run away.
So we put together this really fantastic formula of 2 products, or blend of 2 products for strawberries. One of them is our Marlborough Sounds based seaweed. This seaweed is a New Zealand source product which is fantastic for reducing transplant stress. So put in the correct measured amount of this, fairly generous amount. And the other product is our bio-inoculant soluble powder. This product is beneficial trichoderma, which is fantastic for root health. 1 good scoop per watering can. Put that in. You bring out your magic stirring stick and really mix that up thoroughly. Oh, look at that, really good quality stuff. I'm really focusing heavily on the root system. This can be used for any common vegetable situation, but in particular strawberries love it.
Today we're going to use
some of our coconut fibre Coil mulch. So this product's fantastic. It's a byproduct of the coconut industry out of Sri Lanka. It comes to us in these wonderful pressed bales, and when you mix it with water like we have in this wheelbarrow, it comes up to 60 litres. 60 litres from that little pack. Isn't that amazing?
That's amazing. Yeah,
really good. Strawberries love it, and it has a wonderful finish.
And you can use any other type of Daltons mulch as well?
Yeah, we have obviously the mulch and feed, the bark-based mulch with the blended with organic nutrients. That product's fantastic in this situation as well. But this is just something a little different. And as you can see, the colour, you know, it's really bringing things out of the garden a bit.
So that'll help insulate the plants during winter as well as it gets established?
Really will.
How often should we be watering?
This time of year, not very often at all. The mulch will do the trick and the mounding does the trick. So maybe once a week, give them a light watering. Generally with seed feed, I would always put the seed feed in with that watering just to continue to promote good, strong, healthy root development.
A little bit later in the season, you want to be thinking about fertilising. So, you know, when's the best time for that?
Well, I like to say the best time to apply the first round of fertiliser, because bear in mind there's plenty of nutrition in that Garden Time strawberry mix that we use.
Yeah.
But to top it up with a side dressing of strawberry fertiliser, you'd probably put the first application on very close to the first flower starting to come through.
Okay.
That is when the most demand is on the plant for nutrient supply, when it's forming the fruit.
So we've got a little bit more mulching to do.
Yeah, looks like it.
Until next time, happy gardening.
Enjoy those strawberry smoothies.